everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to open up the box, which is I expecting is a Hot Wheels Silhouette car culture. I just received it from my distributor, and let's take a look the what's inside the box. As you can see, there are 10 sets per box, and let's take a look what do we have here. First off, 78 Porsche 935 78, which is blue and white livery, which is very nice. I always was a fan of a Porsche, and this is definitely a good addition to my collection. This is number 3 out of 5. And you have 2 of them inside the box, so I'll keep this one aside. Second will be the 76 Greenwood Corvette, which is very nice as well. This is number 2 of 5. And also you have 2 sets of this guy in this one box. And third one is RWB Porsche 930, which is one of the hottest car and most anticipated car in this Silhouette premium set. Yes, it's weight quite heavy. The number is 4 out of 5. And in fact that you have 3 of them inside one box. Next up is the 76 Chevy Monza, and I understand that this you only have 1 of these inside box. I'm not quite sure why, because I thought it will be RWB, so not quite sure what's the decision why Hot Wheels do this way. So 1 out of 5. Next up, which is a very popular Nissan Skyline Silhouette, very popular casting that been done by a lot of companies, especially Tomica. And this number 5 out of 5. And this you have 2 of them inside one box. So let's take a look again. First one will be Chevy Monza, Greenwood Corvette, Porsche 935 78, which is one of my favorite. RWB Porsche 930, also one of my favorite. And Nissan Skyline Silhouette. Let's take a look again. Please tell me what do you think of this set in the comment, and do not forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. Your support is very much appreciated. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye.